Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my fried chicken. As you can see, it turned out so good. It was so yummy. So let's dive in. So with me, I have half a kg of boneless chicken, which I've already washed nicely. As you can see, I'm patting it dry to remove excess water that is in the kitchen using my kitchen towel. Next, I'm just going to cut them into stripes. You can cut them into cubes, whichever shapes you want. So here I was just cutting them into stripes. You can do big chunks or you can do thinly sliced ones, depending on your preference. Once I'm done cutting them, I'll transfer them into a bowl. Then I'll add in my seasonings. The list of the seasonings are in the description box. You can check them out. Next, I'm just going to squeeze in some lemon to give it flavor. Next, I'm going to mix everything together to incorporate the lemon with the spices and everything nicely. Then I'm going to cover and let it rest for a bit while I'm working on the flour. I used 1.5 cup of wheat flour, all-purpose wheat flour. Then I went in with the same seasonings that I used to marinate the chicken. I'll go ahead and mix everything together to ensure the spices are nicely incorporated into the flour. Next, I'll take a separate bowl and add in the eggs, add some black pepper to taste, add in salt, then add in some fresh milk, then beat everything together to mix it nicely. Next, I'll start with the coating process. Now first I'll dip the chicken in the egg mixture, then cover it with flour. You can do one layer, or if you like, you can do several layers depending with your preference. I like doing mine twice. While at it, make sure that your oil is heating up. It should not be too hot. It should be medium heat. So once I'm done coating, I'm just going straight to frying the chicken. That was the last piece. Now it's time to dip the chicken into the hot oil. Depending with the size of your pan or your cooking of your frying pan, you can put as many as you like. So make sure you fry it until it is golden brown, or once you achieve the color that you want. You can turn them, cook them for 5 minutes each side, then you remove, and they will be ready to eat. You can serve with I served mine with chips. You can serve yours with whatever you want to serve them with. They were so good. They were so yummy. The chicken was nicely cooked in the inside and crispy on the outside, as you can see. I dipped mine in some mustard sauce with some hot and sweet sauce. Yes, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.